In this video, we are going to answer this question. X is what percent of y, right? So to solve this question, let us, in the first step, let us translate this uh, language. So x is, so x, then is means this equal sign, then what? Okay, let's say it is p, then percent means this sign, then of means multiplication sign, and here y, right? So I'm just translating this, right? What means p, percentage means this. You know that percentage actually mean 1/100. So we can write p times y, and percentage means 1/100, that is p/100, right? Now we have to find out the value for p, because we are going to find this. So if you multiply both sides by 100, then what will happen? This 100 cancel each other, so we are getting here like this, 100x equal to py, right? Now we can find out, if we divide both sides by y like this, we are getting 100x y equal to p. That is p equal to 100x divided by y, right? And this is our required answer, right? Just I am translating this sentence and just I am doing calculation. Okay, let us take specific example. Look, 12 is what percent of 40? So look, just I am translating. 12 is mean equal sign, then what means let's say p, or you can also consider it x. You can actually assume anything. Percent means this sign, then of means multiplication, then we have 40. So now percent means 1/100, right? So to cancel, look, we can easily cancel this 0, then we can divide this 4/2, then we'll get 2, and 10/2, 5. So 12 equal to twice p divided by 5. So look, if I multiply both sides by 5, what will happen? Cancel each other, so we are getting here 12 times 5 twice p, then divide both sides by 2. So we are getting here 12 times 5 divided by 2 equal to p. If you simplify this, 6 times 5 equal to p, that is 30 equal to p. So we are getting the value of p equal to 30. So answer is 30%, right? Look, so 12 is 30% of 40, right? This is the answer.